तो गाइस पिछली वीडियो में मैंने बताया कि स्कूटी को कैसे स्टार्ट किया जाए। इस वीडियो में मैं बताऊंगा कि सेल्फ से स्टार्ट करते टाइम आपको हमेशा ब्रेक क्यों अप्लाई करने पड़ते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Scooters mostly comes with continuously variable transmission. In normal language, you can call it automatic transmission without the use of gears and external clutch. As the safety design for scooters are set to engage in very low RPM. Hence, as you start the engine, the vehicle will tend to move forward. So, to stop that motion, we need to apply brakes. Electric circuit is used in self-start motors of scooters, which completes only when brakes are applied. So we need to press the brake when self-starting the engine. When starting the engine. So one more thing to mention here. If you are unable to start Activa by applying push button
and kickstart.
you should use fuel coke on and wait for 10 to 15 seconds. This one is fuel coke. It is usually happening in the morning or in winter seasons. So you don't need to freak out and kick hard, as it will make the condition more serious and there are chances your Activa will be overflow.
तो गाइज ये था आज का हमारा ब्लॉग नंबर 2। बना